Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical topics in cardiovascular health: coronary artery disease, or CAD. If you're passionate about health and medicine, or just keen on learning how to better protect your heart, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates in healthcare. Coronary artery disease, often referred to as CAD, is a condition where the coronary arteries become narrowed or blocked due to a buildup of cholesterol and fatty deposits, known as plaques. This can lead to reduced blood flow to the heart muscle, potentially resulting in angina, heart attacks, or even heart failure. Recent research has brought new insights into the management and prevention of CAD. According to the latest guidelines from the American College of Clinical Pharmacy, there are several key areas where advancements have been made. Firstly, advances in diagnostic tools have improved our ability to detect CAD earlier. Non-invasive imaging techniques, such as advanced coronary CT angiography and cardiac MRI, are becoming more accessible and provide detailed images of the heart's blood vessels. These tools help in identifying blockages before they cause significant damage. In terms of treatment, recent updates highlight the effectiveness of new medications and therapies. New classes of drugs, like PCSK9 inhibitors, have shown significant promise in lowering LDL cholesterol levels, which is a major contributor to plaque formation. Additionally, cutting-edge procedures such as minimally invasive stenting and coronary artery bypass grafting continue to evolve, offering better outcomes and quicker recovery times. Prevention remains a cornerstone of CAD management. The latest guidelines emphasize the importance of lifestyle modifications, including a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, regular physical activity, and smoking cessation. Recent studies have also reinforced the role of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored based on individual risk factors and genetic profiles. Emerging research is exploring the role of inflammation in CAD, suggesting that targeting inflammatory pathways could be a new approach in preventing and treating the disease. The integration of genomics and artificial intelligence into cardiology is also opening doors to more precise and effective treatments. Understanding and addressing CAD is crucial because it's one of the leading causes of heart disease globally. By staying informed about the latest advancements, you can make better decisions about your heart health and support those you care about. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the latest in healthcare. Stay connected with us on social media and visit our website for additional resources and information. Until next time, stay healthy and informed. References: American College of Clinical Pharmacy, 2024. Guidelines on coronary artery disease management and treatment. Latest research articles and updates on CAD from reputable medical journals.